Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your battery on a 2016 Dodge Charger right here. So you have your key, but your car dead, so you're trying to jump it, trying to get inside. You want to pull this little thing right here, and I'm going to show it to you. You pull this right here and get the key out like that. And you want to open the door like this. Alright, then you want to come under here, open your hood. This is the worst case scenario, your battery dead. Alright, open your hood. So you want to come on this side, peel this like this, and then you just squeeze right here and pull it back. Then you would have to connect your positive cable right here and your negative cable right here, and when you connect that right there, come around here and you can crank the car. But if you want to change your battery and your battery is dead, with power connect to those two wires, you press that, open the trunk, because the battery is in the trunk on this one, and you want to lift up this right here, and then you get access to the battery right here. Alright, and guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, help me help you. Alright, so to start the battery process, you're gonna need a 10mm. Alright, so I got my 10mm right here. Take this off. After that, now you wanna wrap that off. Alright, you can also take the positive cable off also. Get that off, come out the way. Right here, you want to come and squeeze this right here to release the tension off the battery. Alright, just unhook this right here. And this is a smaller battery. They put the wrong size battery in this car right here, because you would have to take this out that hold the battery, but I'm gonna go ahead and take it out just as if we have the correct size battery. But I'm gonna put the correct size battery in the car, so you're gonna see the procedure of putting it back. It also look like a 10mm, so I'm gonna get a 10mm and come back at it. Alright, so I got my 10mm. Look like they cross-thread the bolt, because let's check out the bolts right here. There's the focus. Look like they cross-thread it a little bit. Take this off and take out the battery. And this right here is the correct size battery. As you can see, it's bigger, and it's 49. It's 49 right there. It's a 49 series, and that's what it looked like compared to the battery that was in it. This is the correct battery, and this is the battery somebody put in it. Alright, so time to put in the battery. Positive go on the far side into the car, so you just want to move all the wires out the way and put your battery down in. Alright, so you got the battery back in. Alright guys, so I just realized this car take 2 different battery, as I can see, because I tried to put this one in but it didn't work because it was too big and this couldn't fit in there. So if you're gonna take out the battery and you see this, your battery use a 94R, alright? That's what your car take. But if you don't see this, if you see a shorter one, things like a gray plastic, but if you see a shorter one than this, then your battery use a 49, alright? So let's get to installing the battery. As you can see down here too, you have one old right here. It's all covered in dirt. So this is where you would put the one for the 49, and this is where you put the one for the 46, alright? The battery holder. For the 94, I should say. To get your wires out the way, just like how I showed you first. And then install this. And now you can install that. You can see right there. Alright. And also you make sure your positive is down here and your negative is right here. Get your battery holder, put it in like this, line it up over the old, get your screw, 10mm, put it in also. Get your tighten that first. Alright, so you want to run this down, tighten that up first, and that's good. You want to also get your another battery strap, and you come around here, hook it there, pull on the string that helps to hold it firm in place. This is your vent to vent the battery acid outside, or fumes or whatever come off the battery. So you want to find a hole. There's a hole over there, and push it in the hole. Alright. So that's what it should look like. It's in the hole. Get your positive cable. Go ahead and install that. Tighten that up. It's also 10mm also, alright? Let's get it tight to where it can't move. Right here, take off this cap, put your negative cable. Give it a little light at the top, not even tapping it hard, so it go down over it. Then you want to tighten that up. Check it, make sure it's not turning. And after that, if you have the battery protector, you want to spray that on it so it doesn't get corroded or none of that. Alright. So okay guys, so just double check your work, make sure everything is good and everything is tight, and you can go ahead and close this down, close the trunk. I have my key right here. Go ahead, come in the car. What I like to do first is just turn on the ignition. So that's pressing the button. So that's pressing the button without cranking the car up. Alright? And after that, brakes, crank the car up. See, and that's it, guys. Turn the flash off. So that's it, guys. No check engine light or none of that. If your car doesn't have a check engine light before, it will not turn on. Or maybe if it had a check engine light for low voltage or low battery or something like that. But thank you guys for your love and support. Please continue to support the channel. Help me help you. I'm gonna try to leave us for those people who like to order their battery or order stuff online. I'm gonna try to leave a link in the description, and also try to comment and pin the link on the comment, so you can pin the link in the comment so you can click on it and take it to the battery. Alright, but remember, if your battery, the charger take two different type of battery. One take a 94 and the other one take a 49. And with that bracket, the metal bracket, if you have the big metal bracket like this, you can that's gonna take a that's gonna take a 94. But if you have the little plastic bracket with a screw go right through the middle, that's gonna take the 49. All right, thank you guys, see you next time, peace out.